Welcome to my channel Tech Tic Tac Toe. Today we will learn about Python data types. If you are new to programming languages, then this video is for you. You have to know the data types present in Python. If you know other programming languages, you only have to notice the differences in Python data types compared to other languages. Now let's start about the data types of Python. These data types are present in Python. Text data type is string. Notice that there is no character type data type. Here character is a string with the length 1. So character type is not present, only string type data type is possible. In numeric data types, int, float and complex are possible. Float can store bigger data, and for small data int is used, and for complex data types complex is used. There is no double in this Python coding as like other programming languages. C or Java has double type data type, but here only int and float and complex. Sequence data type means array type data type is list, tuple and range. Mapping data type is dictionary, where key and value are mapped. For each of the key there will be a value. Set data types, where we cannot change the value of the variable of the list. These are called set. So set types are present is set and frozen set. Boolean type is bool. Binary types is bytes, byte array, memory view, and none data type is none type. Now let's see how we can assign this. We do not have to declare variables in Python, so we only have to assign a value and it will automatically know its type. So if we assign a value with double quote or single quote, it will be taken as a string data type, or we can mention that string Delhi. So this is, we specifically mention that this is string Delhi, so this is as string, or otherwise it will automatically assign a value in a string variable. This variable becomes string variable. If we declare it as 5, then x will be as integer. But if we declare it as string 5, then x will be as string value of 5. Now integer is declared as x equal to 10 or x equal to int of 10. So we can declare int as we mentioned it as integer, or otherwise this assignment will tell that x is an integer variable. In float type variable we have to mention that something dot something, that is we can declare it as 20.3, or if the value is only 20 but we mention it as, we want it as a float type variable, then we can mention it as 20.0. otherwise we can mention it as float of 20.3. Then complex variable is declared as 2j, or x equal to complex variable 2j. So this way we can declare these variables. Now list type variables. So in array type variables, that is list is possible in Python. Here this square bracket means list, or we can use a constructor list with double curved bracket. Note that this double curved bracket with these values. So this will be a list and this will be also a list type variable. When we declare a tuple, we can declare a tuple with a single curved variable, or also we using a constructor double curved bracket within this the values. So both of these will be a tuple. So x will be a tuple type variable. Range is declared as 10. So it will start with from 1, it will end at 10 and it will increase by 1. We can mention the initial value and the increment value also, but this is the simplest way to declare this, to assign a value of type range. Now set type variable. Set is represented as curly braces, this is a dictionary, so curly braces, then this colon means this is the key value, and after colon this is the value. This is the key with double quote, this is the value with double quote. This is the key with double quote. As it is a numeric type data type, we do not have to put the double quote. Also we can assign this value as dictionary with the dict constructor. Here single curved bracket is enough. City equal to, that means key is not represented by double quote. City equal to Delhi in double quote, that means key is not in double quote but value is in double quote, and population in this way. Now set can be declared as curly braces and without value pair. So dictionary and set are declared with curved braces, but in dictionary there are key value pair, but in set there are only the values. Now we can assign it as set constructor with double curved brackets. Now frozen set is declared as curved bracket, then curly braces, then the values, then curly braces, then curved bracket, or with the constructor with double curved bracket with the value. None type is declared as x equal to none. Boolean type is declared as x equal to true or false, or it can be declared as bool 6. Bool 6 means it is a true value. If there is bool 0, then it will be only false. Otherwise any value including minus, all values will be represented as true. Only bool 0 will be the value false. This is a bytes type array. So in here we have to declare it as byte for b, then the value, or also we can declare it as bytes 6. In this case when we print x, the byte value of 6 will be printed. Byte array is represented like this, x equal to byte array 6, and memory view is represented as byte 6. So you can learn about all the data types possible in Python. You can check it with Python coding. Put every variable and assign variable with this type of data type, then want to print x. Then let's see what happens. I think you all understand. If you have any queries or need any detail, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.